Hello, welcome back to Rich Tech. Today we are going to take a break from the hands-on repairs of Apple products and do some software work. Now I have this old iMac. It is early 2008 Mac 20-inch, and the operating system is OS X, Yosemite, and version 10.10.5. Now this iMac cannot receive any later operating system updates than this. I mean, this is the last update it will have, and as such that will be okay because it's an old machine, and with new operating systems, new hardware have to be installed for them to operate or to be compatible. But there's a bigger problem with these old iMacs. If you try to use an application like this Microsoft Excel, here I'm trying to open a new document, and this is what I wanted to show you. Up here it's written Office Update. To keep up to date with security updates, fixes and improvements, choose check for updates, which is right here. If you click on that, it will redirect you to the internet where you'll have to download updates for Microsoft Office. But the problem is you cannot update new Microsoft Office software on an old operating system. The same goes for Google Chrome. If you click on it, you will also have prompts for updating it. And with Google Chrome, if you try to open this, we will have this tab. To get future Chrome updates, you'll need OS X 10, 11 or later. And that's what we are seeing in the up here in this Microsoft Office package, that's Excel. And these messages are annoying. If you want to work on this page, it is annoying to be seeing this line up here, and I think it's been strategically put so that you cannot ignore it. So the only other way you are left with is to close it every time you open a page in any of this, my Word or Excel. Now for Google Chrome it's different. Today I'm going to concentrate on Microsoft Office packages only. And so with that nuisance, you have to close that message every time you open an application. I thought we should know how to get rid of that message altogether so that we can work without any issues. I'll go ahead and close this, and also that. Now to solve this, we will click on go to computer, and then click our hard disk here. That's our computer. Let me enlarge this, and then you click on library, then click on application support, and go to Microsoft, because today we are dealing with Microsoft Office packages. Now under Microsoft Office, we will open it and get this folder right here. Now we want to get rid of this folder. This is easy. Right click on it and click move to trash. It's already moved to trash. On other iMacs, it will ask you for a password, administrator password. Kindly input it and click enter, and it will delete it. Since I'd already deleted mine completely, it is not asking me for the password. I'd already deleted it and removed it from the system. But if it's in the trash, just after deleting it for the first time, for you to return it, it will ask you for admin password. For you to delete it from here, it will ask you for admin password. Now having deleted that, I'll close this. I can just minimize it, just make the window small and leave it there. Now I can go ahead and open Microsoft Excel again. and open a new blank workbook. And here we have a new blank workbook without that line which is annoying for updates right there. And that's how you get rid of that message. It's that simple. And just to prove that that's what was causing it, we can close Excel again and return this folder. There are two now. I'll return this folder back to it came from. There under Microsoft. Close that. Open up Excel again. Open a blank workbook. And there we are, the annoying message is back. So we don't want that. And if you don't want that, you don't want to keep closing this all the time. That's how you get rid of that message. If you like such content, kindly consider subscribing, liking and sharing. Once again, thank you for your time.